Another drop in crude prices. Let's go to the NYMEX where we find independent energy trader Peter Amandio. Peter, we keep watching oil hit new lows. We dropped through 45, we dropped through 40. Where's the bottom right now for oil?
Well, the last time I believe I spoke to the street, we were over $50 a barrel. I said we were going to go to 41, 42 area, but I thought it was going to take some time. It didn't take very much time. Typically when markets drop, they do drop pretty quickly. And I also said below $41, $42 a barrel gives us another $10 to the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised that it may take some time to do it, but I think we're going to see the low 30s soon.
Well, I'm going to try to pin you down. When you say soon, given what happened with the last drop, could that be as soon as the end of the week?
No. I don't think it'll be that quickly. But we do have a lot of volatility in the markets right now, too. So it could happen. We are seeing the markets move wildly right now. There's a lot of uncertainty in everything. So if we fell to 32 in the next couple of months, I wouldn't be surprised.
Peter, in terms of what's behind the latest downdraft, is it more of the same? Is it worries about China? Is it combined with what's happening on Wall Street? Is it the overall slump in every commodity, it seems, that is taking oil yet another leg lower?
Yeah, I think so. I think crude oil, though, has a lot more to do with the fundamental reasons. It has to do with Iran coming online, and it has to be with there being a lot of crude oil, and that it's pretty much a fundamental move. But as far as the stock market goes and the equities markets heading south, that's a little bit scary. That's the movement we had today, even though we came back a lot. It's pretty scary that we did fall that quickly. I also think that the slowdown in China has a lot to do with that. But the scariest thing about it is nobody's really pinned down just exactly what's behind it.
Peter, we of course will get a look at the supply demand data from the government. Is that likely to change anything, or is oil really looking beyond some of those weekly numbers now?
Yeah, I think the numbers that we're seeing right now are still very bearish. I think you're going to see bearish numbers in the future. And I don't see much changing fundamentally. The only thing that really seems to get the market to pick its head up in terms of crude oil and products is whenever something geopolitical goes on.
Peter Amandio at the NYMEX. Thanks so much, Peter.
You're welcome.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.